Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you unboxing and first look of a new knife that I found on AliExpress. It is from a knife brand that is called Watchman, but let's say this is one of those type of knives and designs which will probably later on be sold through different knife brands. Like I have an extensive series of knives from Tuna Fire, Casivo, Free Tiger, and so on, and it has all the hallmarks from the same factory and materials down to the blade and micarta used. So this is the Watchman W111. It is more a medium sized EDC knife. This one is branded with the Watchman logo right there. On the other side we have the blade steel D2 and the model number. So let me give you the quick specifications. So we have an over length of 20.3 centimeters. This is 8 inches. In my opinion, one of the most favorite knife size that I carry and use. Blade is 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The blade width is 2.2 centimeters or 0.9 inches. The thickness of the blade is 3 millimeters or 0.1 inch. Handle is 11.5 centimeters long or 4.5 inches with a thickness of 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches, that is without the pocket clip. Like I mentioned, on the blade we have D2 with a really nice fine stonewash finish. This is a drop point profiled blade with almost a full flat ground. On the handle, like I mentioned, we have a natural canvas brown micarta. There is also an option for a green one if you prefer that, and we have stainless steel liners which are skeletonized. Pivot assembly, it rides on caged ball bearing washers, so for some reason it won't shut. It's probably because of the, yeah, you have to break the detent ball. There is no detent ball ramp like on so many knives, therefore it will not close on you, so you have to deliberately break that portion there and it will then close. Some would say that maybe it is a safety feature, but it is up to you. I would like to see it. Okay, as far as lock goes, we have liner lock. These are full stainless steel liners. They are not inset or as far as open construction, we have partial backspacer made out of black G10. The pocket clip is a folded over. It looks like it could be deep carry. I will be checking it out in a few seconds right at with my jean pocket, but as you can see there is a little bit a downside or minus point. They are not using flush screws but those standard domed rounded ones. So decent size lanyard hole if you prefer to carry a lanyard. As far as weight goes, we have 104 grams or 3.7 ounces. So let's check out the sharpness. So out of the box, it is decently sharp, but definitely could use a little bit stropping, in my opinion. Let's see the pocket profile. So I forgot to mention that we have medium stiffness, so this is excellent for EDC style knife. And yes, it is deep carry, so almost nothing is sticking out. As far as centering goes, we have really nice centering, a little bit maybe. It's a little bit off to one side. Opening method, you have only the flipper option right there. As far as a log engagement goes, nice and early right there. So the ergonomics are almost as neutral as possible, so it will fit your hand quite nicely. My XL size hands fit perfectly. There is no jimping on the top. I would prefer to have a little bit jimping on the top to maybe brace a little bit more on the blade, but since this is a EDC knife, it is not intended to heavy use or chopping and cutting. As far as blade play goes, we have just a slight little bit, comes down to probably to the tightening of the pivot screw and the bearing washers right there. So overall, we have a really nice functional working knife design. Let me bring out one of my favorites from the previous brand or series, the GT. This is the 956. You can see right there, it is just a little bit smaller, not that much, a little bit wider. Also excellent finishing, same domed screws, probably also the same pocket clip. Yeah, it looks like it is the same. So I would probably bet some money on that these are made in the same factory. So if you prefer something a little bit just larger and thinner, then the W111 is a nice options for you. So I forgot to mention the pricing. So these are priced at $24.17. The MSRP is around 50, but usually these are always on sale. So for my European based friends, I did pay around 28 euros from the AliExpress website. So let me check out. I wrote also out the 958, which is a clip point profiled. These look to me almost on par size wise, but no, this is a little bit smaller. Then from QSP I have here the Osprey, also a really nice EDC flipper slash nice EDC knife with a similar micarta on the scales. Now let's see a few other knives that I have here on the table. So here is the Big Lighter 2 from Kaiser, a Hall of Fame in my opinion as far as EDC goes. Very nice, few options on the micarta. You can choose different ones. This has just been a really nice linen type. Okay, here's the Benchmade bug out, a little bit smaller. Here's the large Reptilian. CJRB Feldspar, the full size one. Petrified Fish Warrior 949. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. And here I have the 111 TS111 from Tucson Knives, since it is his namesake. Bucksprint Pro, Red Model 1, Knife Center exclusive in micarta. Spyderco Endura. There is also Delica. Bug Vintage Avid. $940 from Benchmade. His Ace Grand from Giant Mouse. Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So overall, I must say this is a really nice, another really nice $25 knife that we have the opportunity to get our hands on. As far as pricing goes, that can change, of course. Usually these are always on some kind of sale, so if they are not, then just wait it out and get them at a preferred price. Maybe also some other dealers outside AliExpress will carry these under different brand names. If I find some, I will definitely annotate in the description down below which names or product numbers you can find them. So as this video will age, then I will try to include more information. So check in the description, and this goes also for my previous videos on this series of knives. So if I find a new brand that is selling this same design, I will try to annotate it in the video down below. So okay, so this was the Watchman W111 or 111. If you have any questions, please leave comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to bring you interesting knives. Mostly, yes, they will be EDC knives, folders. Still, I'm on my micarta run, how to say it. So most of the knives will include micartas, but also different materials. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.